want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. This is something different. We've seen Bitcoin after this low put in a high, which was technically a lower high, but then a higher low and a higher high. We've seen huge volume come in. This is different. Last time we saw huge volume was on some news. We got to talk about some Fed news in just a bit. But again, you got a good volume spike. You got a breakout of this pattern, this small falling wedge, falling channel. But the bulls are unable to flip this overhead resistance. I want to see 27.7 held on the daily chart for real ideas of upside. But hey, it's been a nice run. We made a ton of profits trading altcoins. Nailed some amazing gains. So you can't be mad at it. The Bitcoin 2-hour chart shows down here, this support level has held so far. You had this nice impulsive wave higher after Bitcoin bulls showed up. But again, you've seen this giant falling wedge being respected on multiple time frames. So the bulls need to break out of this pattern for much higher prices out of Bitcoin. The bearish retest has been here for over 10 days. I had it labeled. Until the bulls can actually break above this level, you're looking for downside, right? So understand, I mean, you got a possible double bottom. The bullish MACD is about to cross on the daily. Your RSI is headed higher. Your stochastic RSI as well. So again, ideas for upside, but you've got major selling pressure with the trend line. And so Bitcoin bulls, you got to show me something different. Show me you can bullishly retest this. And people will open up big longs on a bullish breakout based on this $27,700 level if the bulls can pull off the miracle. A lot of times in trading crypto and Bitcoin, the traps are one of the big turnaround points for the charts. So could this be some giant bear trap? For it to not be downside and upside, you need this level back, right? Otherwise, this thing just drops slower. You see 25,200 next. And so you've got some bullish ideas on the daily about to be confirmed here shortly. All the sellers are right overhead. They've been unable to break this level time and time again. There's a tremendous amount of volatility in the market. It's great for traders. We're trading both ways on MEXC. I've got some amazing shout outs to give on my trading group. This person, none of this would be possible. You made me go from 5,000 to 490,000 in about 2 years. Join the trading group if you're sick of losing money in this market. This person went from $10,000 to $100,000 when they joined the group. 10 extra money. This person renewed their trading group subscription in 6 months, and it's been a rough 6 months. They went from $5,000 to $40,000 in the trading group. We nailed RNDR 3 times. This person nailed it for 30x. They 30x their money. Bought at 66 cents and sold at $2.66 and put a leverage, 10x, only 10x leverage behind it. Thanks for the hard work and skills that you share. That's what it's all about, is making people better. And again, we're nailing banger after banger. So for the week, you had 120%, 108%, all these gains as well. So the last few days, 90%, 88%, 84%, 83%. We've had a ton of upside on the altcoins. And go to MEXC and it's magic. 231% on Lena, 72% on API 3. You must use the link in the description, our VIP link, in order to get any of these bonuses and half price trading fees. Make sure and go make an account on MEXC Global right now. We're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever. plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. MEXC is giving away $9,100. Go to MEXC and sign up. I've never seen anything close to this amount of bonus money that they're willing to give you on your deposits and your trading. They're giving away $9,100 for the next 3.5 days. Now we've got some news to cover. So crypto wallet provider the Ledger, they postponed the release of key recovery service after public criticism. So all that Ledger wallet mania, they're putting it on hold, so you don't have to worry about that. The coins with the Chinese narrative, TRX, Neo, CFX, which we nailed quite a few times as well. But the Chinese coins have seen strong buy pressure. All right, so I've got the list of Chinese narrative coins with all the buy pressure right here, 2023. Just go ahead and print the screen, freeze the frame, print the screen right here, CFX all the way down to Neo. You've seen buying come in on these coins. We're going to talk about it shortly. Hong Kong has plans on opening up for retail trading. China will trade through Hong Kong. Banging. This is huge for crypto. So Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission, they announced it would soon allow licensed platforms to serve retail investors. This is huge. It's another whole market about to open up. So they announced it today. They said Hong Kong's comprehensive virtual assets regulatory framework follows the principle of same business, same risks, same rules, and aims to provide robust investor protection and manage key risks. They haven't put this into play yet. The date they're talking about is June. Basically, they say June 2023. They previously had mentioned June the 1st. But the most important thing is the guidelines are becoming effective in June 2023. They have yet to approve any virtual asset trading platform to provide services to retail investors. But they've had 152 written submissions from within the industry during the consultation period. There's going to be a strong push, and they're already ready to open up Hong Kong. And what China will do is trade through Hong Kong, and they'll have some regulations. Things will be clear cut. This will create strong buyers from Asia, from China, from Hong Kong, right? And they're going to have guidelines laid out. Real easy to trade when you know exactly what you're dealing with, unlike the United States. The total crypto market cap, this is all of crypto combined together. You've seen shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder. This is a complex head and shoulders top. After a breakdown, you've seen the price action working sideways, and it's real similar to Bitcoin, has a ton of work to do. This thing has to break above the resistance and above the trend line. Until that happens, there's downside ideas, right? Now we've got some news that seems like 75 or 85% of the time, whenever we get this news, it immediately goes one way, like retail FOMO's in, and either they start buying or they FOMO out, start selling, they short it. But the FOMC minutes are coming tomorrow at 2 p.m. So you're going to see some volatility, right? This is going to move the market. This has already happened. The FOMC meeting has already happened in the past. And these are just the minutes. Basically a document that explains exactly what was said. And the market is looking for, okay, are they bullish? Are they bearish? In the stock market, it's called hawkish if they are really trying to push rates higher again, or dovish if they want to just kind of let things go and let these banks recover a little bit. So very important, 2 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow to watch the market. Going to see some price moves out of Bitcoin. Obviously, the altcoins will follow. The GDP is going to come out on Thursday at 8:30 a.m. Anytime there's a red arrow on this site, and it's CryptoCraft, just Google it, Anytime there's a red arrow, that's something to pay attention to, right? So that's the US preliminary GDP. Very important is the United States Core PCE Price Index. Just for clarity, I went and Googled what is the importance of the PCE Price Index in the United States, and it says exactly this. The Fed uses the PCE, the Core PCE Price Index, to determine their decision on raising the rates or not. Increases, it would be bad. The market's looking for basically 0.3%, which would be exactly what it was previously. Looking for a move sideways, not higher. So that's important. You want the GDP to be higher than market expectations. And it always, what the most important part is that market expectations idea, right? As long as the market expects it to do something, then it really doesn't move the market as much. Now, so yeah, really important to pay attention to how these numbers fall this week. You've got very important news coming the rest of the week. Global security watchdog urges government to regulate crypto like traditional financial assets. So they've recommended countries to help them develop or adapt regulatory policies for the crypto industries. This is the International Organization of Securities Commissions. They published a statement today contending that cryptocurrencies should be treated in the same way as traditional financial assets. Just like stocks and bonds, they're very similar in nature. Now, the watchdog stance contradicts politicians in the UK. They called crypto trading to be regulated like high-risk industries like gambling. UK calls crypto gambling. I mean, there's definitely a high-risk factor, but you're looking at coins like Bitcoin that are designed to go parabolic and have seen solid upside year after year after year after year. I mean, obviously, you've got market cycles built in, 4-year market cycles built into Bitcoin. But since Bitcoin's creation in 2009, altcoin is designed to go parabolic. RNDR, the rendering the metaverse idea. So this is distributed GPU rendering on the blockchain. And this coin has been on fire. We posted this setup 3 times in the trading group, and we nailed it 3 times. So the idea here is all the metaverse projects will need Render Network, the leading provider of decentralized GPU-based rendering solutions, because the future is being built today. Hardware limitations should not be what keeps you from being part of the new digital renaissance. And so they're going to call on the Render Network to provide decentralized distributed GPU rendering on the blockchain. This coin has seen massive gains. I posted on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, cryptobitcoinchris. RNDR, we nailed it on the 22nd of May for 14%, on the 17th of May for 35%, on the 16th of May for 49%. We constantly reminded people to watch this coin because of the importance to the metaverse. We've seen nothing but upside out of this coin. It's very important to understand that in this market, it's hard to keep up with everything. And we have a team of traders, thousands and thousands of sets of eyes, over 2,500 people in the trading group, thousands of people watching this market. And we're nailing the best picks ever. Banger Central. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.